you can see it, give me love reaction. More love, more love. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me energy, please. Give me more energy, more energy. So we need to start with our morning with a high energy. Okay, every day, when you wake up, when you go to university, and you go to class, you go to lab, you need to have a high energy. And if you have a low energy, I think something wrong with you lah. So make sure, after you wake up every morning, for Muslim especially, kena solat dulu lah kan, solat subuh kan. Sebelum solat subuh tu, kalau it is recommended for you to solat apa, fajar kan, sebelum subuh, 2 rakaat kan, dapat keberkatan, doa kepada Allah, berikan kekuatan untuk belajar kan, berikan keberkatan kan. Itu yang penting lah, kita minta kepada Allah, our creator kan, pencipta kita. Dan barulah kalau boleh ambil breakfast lah kan, bancuk kopi kan, bancuk kopi yang tidak ada gula, kopi O, kopi O kosong, because why, coffee there is a caffeine, it's good for our brain, then to avoid we feel sleepy lah, mengelakkan kita rasa ngantuk lah kan, datang ke kelas. Kopi tu bagus, so please avoid what we call makanan-makanan atau minuman yang manis, kan, so kesihatan kena jaga. And then kalau boleh makan telur tu bagus for the protein kan, biasanya saya punya breakfast kopi dan telur, tu 2 penting. Itu je, saya tak makan nasi lemak sekali-sekala lah. Roti canai pun sekali-sekala lah, jangan amalkan sebab tak berapa bagus roti canai tu. Itulah saya amalkan kopi dan telur saja, itu pun cukup. Dan yang siapa yang ada masalah obesity, so benda tu boleh mengelakkan kegemakan to avoid the obesity kan, itu bagus. Okay, back to our lab 3, lab 3. Chapter 2, part 2, lab assignment. Oh, what's wrong with my pen? Okay, correct, baru ada. Okay, chapter 2, part 2, lab assignment, algorithmic problem solving. So we are still in the same chapter, similar with the previous week, okay. As usual, there are 2 icons here. So the one like this icon you need to submit today, and then this one you need to submit before the next lab session. All right. So how many questions we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 questions. Okay. Okay, so the first 2 questions you need to submit today. So you need to do today. And then question number 3, and then question number 4 you need to submit before the next lab session. Okay, what you need to do? Question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, look at on the question, write the pseudocode. Again, the pseudocode. So step 2, kan. Write the pseudocode that display numbers from 2 to 30, increment of 3. The output of the program should be like this. So you are required to display the output using do. Okay. So meaning that we start from 2. Okay, 2 plus 3 would be 5 kan? Plus 3 would be 8 kan? And then within less than 30, make sure less than 30. And then you need to use do while loop. Okay, so there are 3 type of looping that you can use. Okay, the first one for, and then the second one while kan? And then the third one is do while. So in this question, so you need to use do while loop. Okay, right. So the question asks you need to do the pseudocode only. Right. So no need to construct the code now. Step 3. No need. You just do a pseudocode. So far so good, guys. Question number 1, you understand the question? If you understand, give me love reaction. Okay, very good. Now again, less than 5 minutes again, you can answer the question. Okay, question number 2, raw flow chart. Okay, again, this is step 2 again. Step 2 in PDLC. Draw a flow chart for a program that can read series of integer. Series maksudnya there are several integer can be read by your program. So the first integer that you input, the first integer that you input will indicate how many more integer will follow. What does it mean? Let's say you input 3, the first integer. Okay, the program then will ask you to input another 3 integer. 1, 2, 3. And then you need to input the number. Let's say 4, 2, 5. Right. Okay. And then your program calculates the sum of integer, excluding, not include the first integer, and display the sum, display the sum value of the screen. Okay. What does it mean? What does it mean, guys? Meaning that you need to sum 4 plus 2 plus 5, and the answer would be 11, right? Do you understand the question number 2? If you understand, give me like reaction. Okay. So I repeat again. If you enter the first integer, let's say 4. So this is your first integer. This one again, first integer. And then you need to enter another 4 integer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you need to enter the value of the integer. Let's say 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, right? You can enter the similar number. And then at the end, you need to sum up. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 would be 10, is it? 10. Okay. Okay. So this is the first integer, 3 and 4. Okay, next. So this is what you need to do today. Pseudocode and flowchart. All right, next question number 3. Construct a pseudocode again, the pseudocode that can read two different integer. Make sure the integer that you enter is different. Meaning that you can do a checking lah. If you input the same two integer 3 and 3, the message box will be appearing. Please enter the different integer. Okay. So it then can determine and display the bigger value between two different integer and determine either odd ganjil or even genap number and for example input and then you enter 3 and 7. So your program will detect 7 is bigger than 3 lah kan 7 is bigger and 7 is a odd number ganjil. And let's say you repeat again, you run again, and then the number that the integer that you enter is 8 and 2. Okay, so 8 will be compared with 2, and then 8 will be bigger compared to 2, and 8 is a even number. Okay, so how to identify, how to determine either odd and even? Okay, so you can use the modulus modulus. Okay, if you don't know what is the modulus, you can ask Mr. Google. I will explain the modulus concept during the next lecture session. Okay. All right. You need to do pseudocode. Pseudocode. Okay. So far so good, guys. Question number 3. Any question? If you have any question, you can ask me through meeting chat. If you understand, give me like reaction. Okay. Okay, the last one. Okay, the following table shows the price for a circus show conducted during the weekend. Okay, adult need to pay 25 ringgit. Child 10 ringgit. Okay, draw a flowchart. So this one you need to draw the flowchart using selection and looping. Selection, this one again, the shape of selection, and the looping. Looping, you can use this kind of shape, and then the arrow must be repeat again. So you can refer to the lecture slide. So there is a notes that explain regarding the looping structure. Okay, using selection and looping structure to calculate and display the following: the number of tickets collected from adult, the number of tickets collected from children, total fee collected. Okay, you are recommended to use menu again. If you still remember, lab 1 kan, menu. Lab 1 can there is a menu. Let's say the user choose 1, you can buy a ticket, and you choose 2, exit, and if you choose 1, for example, to buy ticket, and then there is a selection. Either you want to buy adult or children, and what numbers of ticket that you want to buy, and then you need to multiply with the price, and then if you choose number 2, exit, it will then calculate the total fee for you. Okay, so you need to use looping looping concept, whereby it will accumulate the number of tickets and the number of price or total fee collected. Right? That's all for the question. So far so good, guys. Do you understand? If you understand, give me like reaction. Okay, so again, question number 3 and question number 4, you are given 7 days to do it. You need to submit before the next lab session. Okay, please bear in mind that you need to submit before the due date. If you submit after the due date, so no mark will be given. So please obey the due date given. Okay, that's all for lab 3. I open up for the any question if you want to ask, if you're not very clear about the instruction. Any question, guys? Okay, no question. So you can start to answer question number 1 and number 2, and you need to submit today. So I will stop the live lab session now, and then you can start to answer question number 1 and number 2. You can if you have any question, you can ask me through WhatsApp group, or you can directly WhatsApp to me. Okay, guys, I think that's all for the lab 3. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.